just need some space. I just need some space.
Yo, what up people, what's good? Your boy BeebNG here again, and I am back with a new video. So in today's video, I got the Spigen Ultra hybrid case, along with Spigen MagSafe accessories. I got them so you guys don't have to. So let's see how they run with the iPhone 15 Pro, you know what I'm saying? How they look, how they function, all that good stuff. So without further ado, let's get it.
Without any further ado, let's do what it do. That doesn't even make sense.
Alright guys, so these are the accessories. We got the Ultra hybrid case that's also MagSafe compatible, and then we got the MagSafe wallet out here. You know what I'm saying? I'm actually excited to see this one. I would like to rock this. And then we have this 5000 milliamp hour battery, the wireless portable charger. And I feel like this will be clutch, like if you're going out for a long day ahead and then you don't want your battery to die on you. Yeah, and we're gonna be testing it out with my iPhone 15 Pro. You know what I'm saying? Look at my wallpaper if you guys are feeling it. I've been rocking this for like quite some time, but let's get right into it. So first of all, I'm going to unbox this Ultra hybrid case and see what's up with it. So the unboxing process. That's it. That's how we get in the box. So we got the case right here. I believe like the Spigen case is the most popular third-party case. Correct me if I'm wrong. It's covered in this plastic right here. Boom. I'm just gonna take that off and I'll take this off. Got that Spigen logo over here if you guys could see that. And it's looking clean, I'm not gonna lie. It looks very clean. Let's put it on with my iPhone 15 Pro. What's up with it? You know what I'm saying? Boom. Oh, that's looking smooth. Yo, bro, it just makes it doesn't even feel like I have my case on it. I could literally rock this and my phone is gonna be looking cool. I still have my titanium finish bright outside. You know what I'm saying? Honestly, I feel like this is gonna be my new rock. You know what I'm saying? This is how I'm gonna be rocking my phone from now on. So real quick, let me just check on the components of this case. So it got these buttons right here, the action buttons, of course. If you guys watch my day in the live video, I use my action button for music, so let's press it.
Coming from Mars, bro.
So the action button works, and then the volume buttons, they work perfectly. We also got the power button right here. Smooth. And it also has like this little hole right here. Let's check the cutout for the speaker. Just as it should be, it have enough cutout for the speaker, so when you're trying to listen to something, or you put your phone on speaker when you're making phone calls, you're not gonna have problems with it. It also have enough cutout for this. And then there's enough cutout for the charging. As you guys know, we got USB-C on the iPhone 15 Pro this year. All right guys, so this is my charging cable. Boom. See, we still have enough space when I connect the charging cable to it. All right, so in terms of protecting this phone, let's check the lens protection. So we all know from the iPhone 14 Pro and the iPhone 15 Pro, we have 48 megapixel on the main camera at the back. And we got that lens protection, if you guys could see it. There's enough lens protection for your case, so you're not gonna have to worry about like if your phone drops or anything, it's gonna protect your phone properly, you know what I'm saying? And then we also have this cushion technology on this side, if you guys could see that as well. So at point of impact, if you drop your phone, you shouldn't have any problems like if you drop your phone. But one thing I do want to say though, I'm already seeing like fingerprints. I recently lotioned my hand because, you know, I'm making a video, so I didn't want my hand to look like really dry, but still I'm seeing like fingerprints on this. So if I try to clean it, let's see if that will make any difference. All right guys, so I just cleaned it, and honestly it looks pretty better right now. The phone feels compact. It feels very clean to hold, you know what I'm saying? But yeah, I don't want to waste too much time on the case. Let's move to the next item on the list. It's gonna be this MagSafe wallet or card holder. Let's unbox it real quick. Yo, I'm not gonna lie, I love this. So I don't know how many cards this could probably hold like 2 cards. Test it out, so there you go. Whoa, that's very sticky, guys. I'm literally trying to pull it out and it wouldn't pull out. So as you guys can see, as this is MagSafe, if you slap this on, it also stays, so it's not gonna drop when you try to like flip it down. So if you want to rock your phone without the case, let's see if this will actually work with just the phone without this MagSafe thingy right here. So let's check that out. All right guys, so yeah, it is. Whoa, it actually stands. It actually stands. That's actually cool. So if you want to rock this without your case, but just put your MagSafe on it, you don't want to take your wallet out with you, you just want your phone and your cards, this is probably a go-to. Yeah, I'm probably going to be rocking this. And this could also serve as a magic stand as well. You could just do it like this and you should be able to stand your phone properly, just like that. Yeah, let me put this in to see how it looks like. Boom. So there's a compartment right there. There's another compartment right here. Bro, it feels really hard to get my card out. I'm not gonna lie. I feel like this is gonna be a pain, but it feels really hard to get my card out. Like, if you guys know, if you're trying to buy something, it's always a pain when you're trying to like just pull out your card real quick. But I believe these cards work electronically. Like you could just place it, but still it's a pain. I don't know, you could put your driver's license in this as well, but I really don't like how it's hard to get my card out. It's not as smooth as me putting this in my wallet, you know what I'm saying? So technically, what I would say is this can only fit 2 cards because it has just 2 compartments right here, 1 and 2. So more than 2 cards would not fit in this. You know what I'm saying? And see, it's already doing like a little damage. I don't know guys. I just feel like that's what you get on this wallet. Now let's check the power bank or the portable battery. So that's the unboxing. So we get this card in there. We got this cable, USB-C to USB-C cable, and then we have the MagSafe portable charger. First things first, let's see if it's MagSafe, you know what I'm saying? Oh, okay. So, ooh, that's very hard. Bro, it doesn't come off, guys. I'm trying really hard right now. As you guys can see my vein. It doesn't come off. So, the first things I noticed is if you put it this way, so this is the USB-C right here. If you put it upwards, it doesn't stay. So, I'm guessing the magnet is down at the side of the charger. So, yeah. Now, let's try it out without the case to see if it attaches. Bro, it's doing good as well. But it's not as strong as when you have the MagSafe case. Oh, it actually turned on. Here we go. Yo, it actually charges my phone. Did you guys see that? It's charging. So it has a 5,000 milliamp hour battery. So like that's gonna charge your phone real good. I'm guessing that's what you get on like the iPhone 15 Pro Max. And then it charges up to 18 watts. So 5,000 milliamp hour battery, 3.2 voltage, 18 watts charging. That's good. Outputs USB-C to USB-C and charges wireless up to 7.5 watts. So yeah, that's it for the video, guys. If you guys are interested in these items, I'll make sure to drop the link to each and every one of the things that I mentioned in this video in the description down below. So make sure you guys check them out. And as always, I'll see you guys in the next one. I'm going.